With Excel for Office 365, you can have conversations with others by using comments or make annotations using notes. Let's take a look. To start a discussion with others, just insert a comment. Right-click the cell where you want to have a discussion and select New Comment. Enter your comment and select Post. Others can now reply to continue the discussion. To edit a comment, hover over the cell, the comment, and select Edit. To close a conversation, hover over the cell, select More Actions, and select Resolve Thread. If you want to delete a comment, right-click the cell and select Delete Comment. Notes let you add annotations to cells. To add a note, right-click the cell and select New Note. Enter your note, then click outside the cell. To see more available actions, right-click the cell. You can edit a note, delete it, and more.